Did you know in a normal Rubik's Cube you can do hundreds of patterns, in which today I am going to show you just 5 simple cool patterns which you can learn in just 5 minutes of time. And I hope you didn't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this. Also, to all my viewers who watched till the end, have some bonus tip for you. And here are my cubes. You can follow it one by one. I'm going to start with the first one. It's very easy. The first one, you just need to rotate the right layer 2 times, then rotate the left layer 2 times, then rotate the top layer 2 times. Similarly, rotate the bottom layer 2 times. Turn the cube towards left, or you can turn it to the right. Then again rotate the right side twice. Then again rotate the left twice. Then it will give a cool checkerboard pattern in the cube. Here you go. The second one. Here we will be changing the centers of the cube. It will look like a donut shape. Now move the middle layer, which is in between right and left, and one more rotation will be the middle layer, which is in between top and bottom layer. So one is middle layer horizontally and one more is vertically. That's the second one. Guys, if you don't know how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube or 2x2 or any kind of Rubik's Cube, then check the description below. Let's continue with the third pattern for today. This will be a H in the front as well as back. Also it can be an I. I'll show it later. So right twice, up twice, right twice, up twice, again right twice, up twice. Now you need to repeat the same with the left side. So left twice, up twice, left twice, up twice, left twice, up twice. There you go, the H in the front as well as in the back. So if you rotate that, it can be an I also. So I'll keep it in H shape. If you rotate that 90 degrees, it will be an I case. Like this. Next one is similar to the previous one. Here only 2 sides, but here now we are getting all the 4 sides except the top and bottom. The same case. Now for this you have to practice M moves, that is middle moves. So middle 2 times, top surface once, middle 2 times, top surface 2 times, middle twice, top surface once, middle twice. After this you have to rotate the cube like this upside down and repeat the same formula again. Middle twice, top once, middle twice, top twice, middle twice, top once, middle twice. And there you go. You get H letter all the 4 sides. It can be an I also. That's the fourth case. I know you guys are waiting for the bonus. So fifth case is also a bonus for you. If you know this pattern, then you can trick any of your friend by using this pattern. Starting from right side, do right twice, then back side twice, then bring the right back to your front, so right twice. After this, Do the same thing on the left side. So left twice, back twice, left twice. So after this you will get a bar or eye case all the sides, which will trick the mind. Okay, this is very easy, but if you try to match these colors to the back or its color, it's going to be impossible cube. I'll give it a try and see. Okay, I solved the two colors here. Let me try to match two more colors. Let me try and match white here. Oh, it's going in a loop. So it's coming back and back and back to the same position. So if they are a non-cuber, then they will be tricked and they will be never able to solve the cube. So by this pattern you can fool them. There you go, the bonus. Try and have some fun. If you like this video, then hit a like and don't forget to subscribe.